A day after his dramatic exit from politics and announcing on social media that he was quitting politics, former Union Minister Babul Supriyo on Sunday said he has not decided his course of future action. The BJP MP from Asansol in Paschim Bardhaman district also lashed out at the state BJP President Dilip Ghosh and TMC spokesperson Kunal Ghosh for their uncouth comments about his decision. Sharing screenshots of the comments made by two leaders, Supriyo wrote in a Facebook post, "I have gone through your comments. Each one is seeing it in their own way, understanding it in their own way, supporting it, opposing it, raising questions, and also asking for clarifications. Some people are using language as per their choice. I accept it all, but I can respond with my work. Why do I have to be at the post of an MP or a minister?" he questioned. He further added that he will now focus on his singing and his shows and he will have a lot of time in his hands. He also said that he will not have to deal with such uncouth comments every day, so much positive energy will be saved. Well, on the other hand, reacting to the latest broadside against him, Ghosh said that the more my name is taken by people who want to be in news through theatrics, the more I become aware they tend to seek importance by doing that. Babul Supriyo is still in the BJP as far as my knowledge goes. On Saturday, the former union minister who was dropped from the Central Council of Ministers in a reshuffle last month announced that he was quitting politics. He wrote on Facebook that after speaking to his father, mother, wife, daughter, friends and understanding everything, he has decided to quit politics. However, he also said that he is not switching over to any other party. Later on, he also edited his Facebook post that led to a lot of controversy. In response, the state BJP chief claimed that there was a tendency of his detractors to target him because of his importance.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.